Ever wonder how your sleep could reveal a lot about your health, especially something as silent as diabetes? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the intriguing world of nocturnal signs of diabetes. This unseen assailant often creeps up on us during the witching hours, silently manifesting in ways we often overlook. Imagine this. While we're lost in dreams, our bodies could be fighting a hidden battle against this persistent invader. You see, diabetes is a condition where the body struggles to manage glucose, our primary source of energy. The sugar levels in our blood rise, leading to a cascade of health issues if left unchecked. With the menace of diabetes growing by the day, it is ever crucial to recognize the signs early, because early detection is not just about better management, it's about prevention and keeping complications at bay. So, what are these nighttime signs you need to be aware of? Stay tuned as we delve deeper. Now, let's uncover the first 4 nocturnal signs of diabetes that you should never ignore. The first sign to watch out for is frequent urination at night. This occurs because the kidneys are working overtime to filter and absorb the excess glucose in your bloodstream. When they can't keep up, the excess glucose is excreted in your urine, dragging along fluids from your tissues, which makes you pee more. Next, we have excessive thirst, a direct consequence of frequent urination. As you lose more fluids, your body craves hydration, leading to unquenchable thirst. Thirdly, night sweats can be a telltale sign. High blood sugar levels can affect your body's heat regulation, causing you to sweat excessively even on cool nights. Lastly, unexplained weight loss might indicate diabetes. When your body can't properly use glucose, it starts burning fat and muscle for energy, leading to weight loss. But wait, there's more. Let's continue to the next 5 nocturnal signs. Ready for more? Here are the remaining 5 nocturnal signs of diabetes. Restless sleep is our first point of discussion. This can be due to high blood sugar levels, which make it difficult for your body to achieve the deep, restorative sleep it needs. Next, we have increased hunger. This often occurs because your body isn't able to utilize glucose properly. Therefore, it demands more fuel, leading to those midnight snack cravings. Thirdly, slow healing of wounds, especially those on the feet, is a common symptom. High blood sugar levels can cause poor blood circulation, making it tough for your body to heal. Then there's the tingling or numbness in the hands or feet. This is due to high glucose levels damaging nerves over time, a condition known as neuropathy. Lastly, blurred vision at night can indicate diabetes. High blood sugar levels can cause swelling in the eye's lens, affecting your ability to see clearly. So, now you know all the 9 signs, but what should you do next? Knowledge is power, but taking action is key. Here's what you need to do if you're experiencing these signs. If any of these nocturnal signs of diabetes we've discussed ring a bell, it's time to have a conversation with a healthcare professional. Don't delay, as early detection and management can significantly reduce the risk of complications. While you can't control everything, there are certainly steps you can take to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet filled with whole foods, and adequate sleep are all crucial components of a diabetes prevention regimen. Regular health checks are also indispensable. Monitor your health, not just for diabetes, but for your overall well-being. Diabetes is a silent invader, but it doesn't have to take over your life. Be proactive, be informed, and most importantly, be proactive in managing your health. Remember, your health is in your hands. If you experience these signs, reach out to a healthcare professional immediately. Stay healthy, stay vigilant. Good night.